ISO 13485 builds on the principles of ISO 9001, but applies them specifically to the medical device sector. First, let's explore the context. ISO 9001 focuses on quality management systems, while ISO 13485 emphasizes medical device regulations. Key differences include a stronger focus on risk management and regulatory compliance in ISO 13485. ISO 13485 requires continuous monitoring of the effectiveness of the quality management system, ensuring compliance with applicable regulations. Emphasizing documentation, ISO 13485 outlines specific requirements for design and development, production, and post-market monitoring. Lastly, remember the importance of training and competency in ISO 13485, as well-trained personnel are key to success.